Hi there, welcome to Marketing Mysteries. My name is CM Manjunath. In this video, you're going to learn all about Google Ads network types. Google Network consists of sites that are partnered with Google to show your ads on their websites. Now, these could be non-Google websites, it could be YouTube, or it can be other Google websites such as Google Maps, Google Images, etc. On search partner sites, your ads can appear on other sites' search results. If it's a directory website, for example, your ads could appear on their directory listing. It could also be based on the pages that are related to the user's search query. But overall, if you think about Google Network, particularly on Search Network, the user types in a search query in the text box, in the search box, and there are advertisements that are relevant to the search query that shows up. It matches the search query to show the advertisement. On Google Search, there are two types of advertisements you will see. One is text ads and the other one is shopping ads. And usually when a user clicks on that, they're taken to the website of the advertiser. The next ad type that we're going to talk about is your image or banner ads. These type of ads usually appear on other websites, not on Google search engine results page, but on other websites. These could be banner ads, image ads, or animated ads. Usually when the user clicks on that advertisement, they are led to the advertiser's website as well. Then there is the video ads. Video ads appear on YouTube, both as video ads as well as banner ads. Those are the options that are available. Then there is mobile ads, which appear on mobile devices. It can lead to a phone call, or an app download, for example. The last type is shopping ads. Shopping ads usually appear on Google search engine results page. It includes the image of the product, a little bit of details such as the price and the description, etc. Google doesn't reveal all the different search partners that are partnered with Google, because it's probably dynamic. But here are a couple of them that I think are partnered with Google. One is Amazon, the other one is New York Times, the other one is Washington Post, Go.com, AskJeeves.com, etc. The Google Display Network consists of a collection of websites and apps. These are third-party websites and apps that are partnered with Google using Google Adsense account. These websites provide ad slots, also called as placements. In the search network, the ads are triggered based on the user's search query. The user goes to Google, types in a search query. If there is a keyword that matches that search query, the ad is going to be triggered. And search network ads are usually used in the consideration stage. The display network ads, on the other hand, can be triggered based on keywords, topic, demographics, and even interests of the user. And it's usually used as a part of brand awareness or brand recall. Alright, so those are the two major network types in Google Ads. One is the Google Search Network and the other one is Google Display Network. As a part of Search Network, we have the text ads and shopping ads. As a part of Display Network, there could be image ads, banner ads, animated ads, and even video ads come under Display Network. Hopefully this video was useful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and do consider subscribing to the channel for more such useful information about Google Ads and digital marketing and much more. This is CM Manjunath signing off for Marketing Mysteries. Thank you.